Lyn Johnston is an inspiration to everyone in Southwest Saskatchewan. She's improved healthcare in all sites throughout the Cypress Health region, including taking an active role in developing and furnishing the new regional hospital. Although she says her biggest accomplishment was heading up the Dr. Noble Irwin Regional Healthcare Foundation. Johnston explains the foundation's growth over the past 10 years.
We're standing here in Habitat for Healthcare, which was the dream for the foundation. I mean, we started in my basement. Yeah. I came here and rented a house, and we started with one person in my basement and volunteers, and now we're standing in a facility that houses our office and a hostel for the people of the Southwest.
Johnston chose to get into this line of work to make an impact on healthcare. Residents of the Southwest and the Cypress Health region believe she certainly has through Habitat for Healthcare and the many fundraising campaigns she's launched for a variety of reasons, including medical equipment. And after hearing her retirement notice, the Health Board took a moment to acknowledge some of her achievements in the region.
Southwest Saskatchewan is a better place because of Lyn Johnston. $16 million plus. $16 million was the number she used last year. I don't know what she's raised this year, but I know it's more than that. And helped us getting volunteers as far as different projects, project management. As far as I'm concerned, she was a project manager out in Shaunavon with the new ambulance garage. Lyn's always been available to help with anything that she can help with. So, I mean, she's more than just a fundraiser. She's a fantastic person.
Even though Johnston says it's time for her to retire, the Health Board is doubtful that she will actually follow through with those plans.
I know that she won't be a stranger. She says she's retiring, but I don't believe it, and we look forward to seeing her around the region here in the future too.
Johnston says she leaves the CEO position with the foundation to give herself more time to work on other projects and would like to travel in the near future. Meanwhile, the time spent developing the foundation has left her with countless memories that will be cherished forever.
I remember sitting down with a gentleman who gave us, who wrote me $1 million check for a campaign, and shedding a few tears with him and sharing lunch, and that might have been a highlight. But I also remember a lady who came into my office and sat very close to me at my desk and insisted on the door being closed and gave me a check as well, and said she didn't want anybody to know that she had given me that check, but it was her first old age pension check.
Johnston says the personal stories that have made an impact on a specific individual particularly stick out in her mind. She hopes the foundation continues to grow for years to come to improve healthcare for residents in Southwest Saskatchewan. For Southwest TV News, I'm Valerie Lalonde.